Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share your Google Drive with someone online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to share your Google Drive, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit enter. After you enter this website, first you will be required to log into your Google account with which you had signed up for the drive. To log into your Google account, you'll be directed to this page, and you can see over here there are only 2 folders of mine, but you can have more than these. And now to share your files and folder, you can see simply click on the folder like this and left click on it, and over here you can see when you choose a specific folder and right click on it, you can see you will be able to find the share and the get link option available over here. Even also the share link or the get link or the share button is available at the top. You can share your Google files from either by right clicking from over here and clicking over here, or by clicking on the top. Both of them are the same thing. Now let's click on share first, and over here you can see you can add people or the persons to whom you want to share your Google Drive account with by typing their email. Like for me, let's go, and after typed you can see their email will appear. Click over there and type something to notify them you are sharing your Google Drive with them, like this: I'm sharing my drive with you. And after that, you can see you can assign them roles, something like this is the editor. You can give the viewer option, you can give the commenter option also, and after that click on get sent like this. And after that, an email to the person whom you had shared your drive will be email will be sent to access your drive to this. And you can also simply click on the get link, click over there, and you can see similar type of interface will appear, whereas you can see over here there is the copy link option available over here. But before that, you'll be required to change the general access option available over here. Currently it's restricted, and even if you copy paste the link and send it to the person whom you want to share the drive, they will not be able to see it. To do or to change it, click over there, and you can see there is a restricted and anyone with the link option available over here. Click on anyone with the link, or if you're just sending them anything, and click on copy link and send them the link to any social media or any email type you want. And after getting the link, they will be able to access your Google Drive. And guys, this is how you share your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.